What's up, guys? This is HHTrader back with another last rip episode. Today was one of those days that should have walked away. I was trading VLCN earlier today, and man, I got caught in a rip down, and I had to get out very quickly, but things happen. The SPY today had another little bounce up here, back up to this flat top of the 435. Man, let's also look at the DIA. DIA also bouncing off of that 200 moving average right there at the 333. Just forming a little not triangle, but what do you call it? A channel here. Channel right through here. And we're just gonna have to see which way it wants to go. It's again looking a little strong, so I don't know what it can do. Let me go back over to the SPY and see if it has a channel as well. Yep, right across there. So we got a channel on the SPY and a channel on the DIA. Reemerging as still strong. Tried to get forced down a couple of days in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, and has held that 426 level. So just a very strong stop. Anyway, let's get over to Street Smart Edge and look at this mess that I made. So on Street Smart Edge, let me go over here. On Street Smart Edge, I continue to try to play a VLCN. I waited all the way till it dipped right here on this level of the 1190, and I got back in here. On let me make sure I'm looking at the right spot. Okay, so it came down, and I got in right in here. And it started kind of pumping up, but it was getting through the VWAP and kind of changing trend a little bit, but it was just kind of flat. And so yeah, it just I had my stop ready to go. Well, you couldn't use stops on this one. I had my hotkey ready to go to sell on this one. Came up here, zipped down here, formed a double bottom, and so I was like, all right, well, I got in right here at the 1218. It came down here to the 1150 and bounced back up. And as soon as I saw this little red candle here or whatever it is, I was like, all right, I need to be preparing to get out. And so on this candle here, I went ahead and got out on the break of the bottom of that red. And yeah, it dumped down on me quite a bit. Should have just left it alone. I did not think it was just going to continue on with that trend, but it did. Oh well. Grom was another one that I was watching. I think I got in for a little bit here. But again, this one was a fader as well. Had a movie news or something. But man, just a very, very bearish day, especially at the beginning of the day. Just bearish. And then we see the SPY and the DIA reversing and coming back up strong. So I'm just going to have to reevaluate. I'm going to have to take all of my statistics into account and just really, I don't know, really just rethink some things. I should have just left this VL. I think I fell in love with this stock mentally, and it messed me up for the rest of the day. Shouldn't have just kept playing with it. It was a IPO stock, and I was looking for it to start getting back up and get moving. Never could do it. The volume just tapered off, and that was it for that one. As for the one that I thought was going to make some pretty nice moves, VYGR today, stayed within this range, came in here, bottomed on this 350 level. So there was one of the levels that I put down there, came up, failed again, came up, failed again, came up, failed again. So VYGR, everything that had kind of good news ended up just going down. VYGR had news with Pfizer, got a license deal with Pfizer, and still just could not find any love in the market today. But it's okay. I will be back tomorrow morning trading. That is pretty much all I wanted to talk about in this video. Don't forget to check out the content on Framework Fortune. You can definitely, if you need to message me directly, you can come to my channel, HHTrader. Man. It was hard to walk away today with the way that the market was looking. I was like, man, there's definitely opportunities, but the problem was I tried to create an opportunity and push the blade instead of flow with the rhythm of the market. And so, ended up getting stomped on a little bit, but I am okay. And we'll be back to recoup these little losses tomorrow. And as always, this is the last rip episode. I will be back in the morning. Ben is still gonna be working on his. He's still working on some things, getting everything together, and he will be back soon. But as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.